no emotional mastery. I understand people and relationships, but I also still took myself through, I started a business in 2011, and then I took myself through seminars, coaches, mentors, anybody that I could find that understood actual business, branding, marketing, anything I could get my hands on. I became seminar junkie. I was just like, give it to me. NLP, personal development. So I just combined everything. And I did a lot of work around relationships for a long time. And so shifting that into, everybody's like, you built a business. Can you show us how to do that? And I was like, well, it's pretty much just the same thing. Marketing is dating. Branding is trust. And sales.
Yeah,
sales is intimacy.
Yeah, sales.
Wow.
Sales.
We'll leave sales be.
All right.
I'll tell you after the show.
Yeah, tell me, Sarah.
So the 3 P's, you have this thing called the 3 P's of a profitable personal brand.
Because everybody has one, but are you strategizing to
Right.
make it profitable?
Leveraging, yeah.
Yeah, because I mean,
tracking
you're
with
right.
you on
Everybody's
that
got a
one.
brand. How do you make it profitable? Number one, but tell us the 3 P's.
Persona, presence, profitability.